Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is MOESOON. I record videos on faith, beauty, hair, lifestyle. If you're not new but a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I greatly appreciate you. You are the real MVP. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how I created this crochet hairstyle using just 2 packs of hair from 2 different companies. That is the Janet Noor Afro Twist braid and the Equal Marley braid Featureless Equal. So these are the 2 packs that I had at home. And this is what I used to create this look. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright guys, I'm starting out with clean stretched hair. I blow dried my hair on low just to get it straightened a little bit, or stretched a little bit rather, so that it could be easier for me when I start to braid. Now I'm going to create a section off on the side and the middle of my hair because those are the only 2 spaces that I would like to have leave out. So now I'm moving on to cornrow my hair. I'm not doing it in any particular fashion. I'm just doing this so that I can quickly finish and go to bed. As you guys can see, this is the pattern I decided to go with. I decided to braid my hair up towards like midpoint of the back of my head because in recent times I've experienced breakage in the back of my hair and I don't want to apply too much stress to the back of my hair, so that's why I just moved my hair up. Now I'm going to start the install of the crochet hair. So what I like to do is cut the bundle in half and then stretch it apart just a little bit so that their ends are not particularly even throughout, and then install the crochet hair. Alright guys, now I'm completely done. I'm just giving you guys a look at how the side parting would be. Please keep in mind that this color of the crochet hair is 1, and I'm usually a 1B, sometimes 2, depending on the brand and shade of the 1B or 2 of that particular brand. But as you guys can see, this hair doesn't completely mesh with my hair, but I'm just going to use it anyway. I just really need it for my Zoom meetings, if you know what I mean. Now I'm going to start cutting and shaping my hair to give it the look that I was going for. Once again, I'm going to be home. I'm not really going anywhere. I just wanted to give myself a different look for about 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm just shaping the hair to my desire. Now you guys can see it with the center part and how it would just look like my hair. It would look so much better if this was my hair color, but it's still okay. It still works. So now I'm going to show you guys how I straighten the hair. This is now on week 2 and I decided to just make it a little bit straighter. So now I'm taking my Revlon brush blow dryer and just running it and passing it through the hair just to take out most of the kinks out of the texture of the hair and just give it a straight look. Nothing too particular. And then I would slightly blow dry my own hair, but not completely straight, because at this point I really don't care. I just wanted to have something for the next week before I take it out. And now I'm going to show you guys how you can just pack it into a bun. So yes guys, this is the finished look. Like I mentioned before in the beginning, These are the 2 packs of hair that I had at home. I completed this in under 2 hours, and that's with the cornrows, crochet, even though I cornrowed and I just wanted to go to bed. But yeah, it took under 2 hours. It's very simple. I intend to keep the hair for 2 weeks, max 3, and this is week 2 right now. Very simple, low maintenance. When I go to bed at night, all I do is the portions that I separated for it to be out, I twist or braid them and I moisturize them at night and moisturize them in the morning, because now with the heat and humidity, I need more moisture. So that's about it. Simple, straight. If you don't have the blow dryer from Revlon with the brush, the blow dryer brush that I used in the video, you can use your regular blow dryer with the comb attachment, or you can just use the blow dryer and take a brush and brush as you blow dry. You would still get the same look. This is what I used to do when I first started crocheting. I would only crochet kinky hair, and then once I installed, then I would just blow dry it straight. So it works either way. Yes, I would encourage you guys to do this. It's something simple, quick, and easy to do, and doesn't require so much, and only costs $10. Okay, I also want to explain to you guys why I have not posted any video within the last 2 weeks. As you guys are aware of the current climate in America and how it's taken its toll globally, I just didn't feel the need to upload a video because my mind, my heart was all over the place within these last couple of weeks with what happened with George Floyd. I know this too closely, too clearly, because 1, I'm black in America, 2, I'm black in New York City. I just needed time to gather my emotions, gather my thoughts. I just kept thinking about this man and the kids that he left behind, and why there was no reason for him to die, why there was no reason for him to still be on the ground. Like, just so many things, and I just couldn't muster up any more strength to continue with the video. But yeah, that's the reason why I did not upload any video within the last 2 to 3 weeks. I would like to see justice served on all 4, if I can just be frank, because you could have done something to stop that situation, but you didn't. And if you were afraid of insubordination, it's 3 against 1. So for those of you that feel like this situation is something that does not concern you, it concerns every human race. And especially as Christian, God stands for equality. No one is higher than the other. No race is higher than the other. No ethnic group is higher than the other. I hope you guys are well, but I hope that your heart is well. I hope that your mind is well. I hope that you're doing okay in this present situation, this present time. You know, we're fighting 2 pandemics, racism and coronavirus. So I just hope that everything is well with you and yours. I speak the blessing, I speak the peace of God over your life, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.